Hi, I'm just gonna do a bike check because I've pretty much finished my bike now, and I just wanted to let everyone know what I got. So, for grips, I've got the Cult Faith grips. They're pretty nice. Can either have them that way or the other way, but I like it this way. Bars, I've got BSD Wza bars. They're really nice. 8.5 inch rise, 28 wide. Yeah, real nice bars. For the stem, I've got the BSD race stem. Yeah. And then I've got the Odyssey integrated headset. I don't know what forks I got. There's some crappy stock ones. Front wheel is exposure. I'm going to get a new Odyssey one soon because that one's really shit. I've got Fit FAF in 2.3. For the frame, I've got the BSD Wza frame. Such a nice frame. 21.1 top tube. It's really nice. Cranks, I've just got some stock cranks. JCPC pedals, black and white. I like the black one though, that looks nice. Mid bottom bracket, can't really see that, but seat post, BSD blitzed. Seat, BSD skeet seat. Sprocket, 28 tooth BSD Superlight sprocket, KMC white chain, just some pegs, I don't know, salt pegs. And today I just got this new wheel. It's the Odyssey Quadrant Complete. Sounds really nice, I love it. Yeah, that's about it really. Thanks for watching.